Join us on our 8-day adventure to the Galapagos Islands. Located 600 miles west off the coast of Ecuador, this string of volcanic islands is home to amazing wildlife. While hiking on 5 of the islands and snorkeling in their bays, we saw sharks, sea turtles, other aquatic life, young and old tortoises, marine and land iguanas, literally tons of sea lions, blue-footed boobies, frigate birds, and much more. Enjoy. Here we are on another adventure.
In the Galapagos, going to an island. Oh, Floreana. Floreana.
We're going to Floreana?
Sir, yes, sir.
And what's the name of the place?
Good question. What's the name of the place?
Floreana.
The name of the island is Floreana.
Yeah.
But exactly, we landed and visited this morning. What's the name of the place?
Green Beach.
Flamingo.
Gardner.
Gardner was in the morning, yesterday.
Oh. I'm so confused.
Punta Cormorant.
Punta Cormorant.
Yes,
But
Punta
today
Cormorant.
is a big day because we're going to see flamingos.
And one suggestion, be together. With a lot of carotene. You know, that's the pink pigment we give the colors of the flamingos. It's like the pink iguanas in Galapagos. We have a pink iguanas. Oh, nice. How are you?
Thanks, Dave.
So all those are the sea turtle track. All the big holes where you see up to the beach, those are the sea turtle nests, right? Female with a very short tail. Males are smallest size, right? Smallest size with long tail. That's one of the difference. Okay, the size and the tail, right? So female biggest size, male smallest size.
There are female and male sea turtles in the water right now mating. You can see the shells, the back of them. And then in the evening, the females come up onto the sand. These are the tracks going up to their nest. They dig a nest, deposit 30 or 40 eggs, come back to the sea, and then when the sun incubates the eggs enough, the little sea turtles come out, hatch, and run to the sea and get in a current and go away.
Cesar, could you describe this tree again for the camera?
Let me prepare.
Yes, you're beautiful.
Okay.
You
Yeah.
did great.
Okay.
Yes, it's going to be good.
Okay, good. Just fun. Okay, what's the name of this tree?
Jerusalem thorn.
Exactly, that's the Jerusalem thorn. Look at that big thorn here, right? You see?
Yeah.
For Jesus Christ. According just with the history, the crown for Jesus Christ was building with those sticks. Jesus. Right. Nobody inside. So that means the animal is not inside. Why? It's interesting. Those crabs, we saw just the babies, black color, the teenagers, more red, dark color, and the huge yellow orange, right? Those are the adults. So they abandon the skin, abandon the shell.
How do I look?
Turn this way, the light's better.
And it's a male too.
Sally Lightfoot crab on my head.
Going to Champion Island for some of the most phenomenal snorkeling in the Galapagos.
We might see a fish, maybe a turtle. We'll see the duckers. Hello, everybody. This will be the most amazing dive this morning. Yeah, sharks. That's what we're looking for. That was a chilly sound.
So now we go that way. Charles Darwin was sailing around the Galapagos, anchored the Beagle on this bay. Yes, and landing in this place, it was visiting the post office bay, right? The post office area, where is the wooden barrel. So, you know, the different whaler and sailor was sailing around the Galapagos, hunting the whale, hunting the first sea lion, right? They're gonna be around the Galapagos for months, years, far from their families in Europe, right? Why the whaler, the sailor, visit Floreana, fresh water in Floreana? With a proposed, just with a different whaler boat. When they stopped here in Floreana, they was collecting water and food for the long whale back to Europe. Okay, the crew member, they're gonna check the letters, right? The letter for the hundred of crew members sailing around. It's just one of the letters. The address was close to their home. Personality, they going back to the home. Talk, talk, talk. So this letter is for you and the family to receive news for the men, for the families working here in Galapagos. The same system in a moment continue with the tourists. Because the Galapagos Islands come in many passengers for different spots of the world. We're gonna check the letters, the 100, the 1,000 letters, and maybe just one of those letters is gonna be close to your town, to your city, right? And you will continue with the same tradition, pick up this letter, and personality go to the home. You wanna check the postcards, maybe one is closer to your home, no?
Essex.
Essex.
Canada, let me know.
Essex.
France.
Oh, that's France. Michigan.
Dufil, that's Ontario. No, that's not.
Okay.
Fort Washington.
Okay, we're gonna send it to our
We're
near
gonna put it at the mailbox here on Floreana Island.
Hong
Near
Kong.
Charlotte, here's something near York. Didn't somebody say
Yeah, Charlotte.
York, South Carolina, but it says near Charlotte.
Poland, my God.
Anybody got UK one?
North Carolina.
Yeah, where?
No, you don't need to put that.
Montreux, France. Merci.
Maybe we just
Something
you wanna
you
take
send
that
out
one.
one, right?
To my future children, Lilita Ostrich. I was here when I was 7 years old. I loved it here. I hope you do too. I love you, children. That's great.
With a flashlight, and before we just add in, we go just grab a plant, fruit, animals on top. Huge lava river and form just the first lava tunnel. Remember, with Galapagos, the islands are resting over one submarine plate, right? It's the Nazca plate.
Oi.
Very sticky, right? And we call that
Or are you doing somebody else's? No, I have a second. I'm getting.
Oh, did my move for the day.
Wait a minute.
I was going to say,
Nice.
one of you guys
This is
must
the
have played.
guayaba, for you guava, okay? Smells
Ooh.
nice, and you will see the very tiny seed inside.
This is guava or guayaba. Oh yeah, it smells very good.
Good guy.
If you can see, you'll smell it.
Okay, into the turtle shell. Do some push-ups like a lava lizard while you're there. Good. That's really good. Wait, okay.